All right, guys. So if your Roku is not turning on, obviously mine is turning on. A lot of times it's because the actual device is not getting enough power to it. Okay. So you can see that my Roku device is actually plugged into the wall, and that's going to be your best case scenario because when you plug it only into the TV, it's getting its power from the TV, and this power source is way less consistent than it's being plugged in directly to the wall. Okay, so if your Roku does not allow you to plug it in, I'll drop a link for this one. Very cheap, very inexpensive, works really great, love it. Um, you're also going to want to check your cords, right? Sometimes these go bad, and if it is plugged in directly to the wall, make sure that the power cable that you're using is not super long, because a lot of times with those longer cables lose their power when they get to the actual device. So those are going to be the main reasons why it's not turning on. Um, yeah, that's where I would start. I hope that helps. If it does, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.